We can stop the joke. Yes, of course, Tyler, we're gonna go buy your new car.
Thank you.
But wait a minute, we gotta do something with this car.
Yeah, we're gonna blow up your car with tannerite. Is that okay? You're not mad at me for destroying your car, like?
No,
yeah.
please do it. Can I do it first?
Before we take Tyler to buy whatever car he wants, we thought it'd be a good idea to blow up the car we smashed.
2, 1, shoot!